What's going on, y'all? RBH back at you again. What we got today? Something in a big box. This is a pressure washer off of Amazon. Yeah, that name. I'm not even gonna try it. So let's unbox it here. See what we got. Trusty old key. Got about 8 layers of tape on it. I don't know why they wrote hazmat across the top of the box. It's not battery operated. So let's see here. Some kind of little instruction manual. A couple of screws, a spring, and like a key. There's that. Got styrofoam. Throw that over there. What do we got here? Alright, that's handy. We got a hose. Only looks to be about 12-15 feet maybe. We got one. That's good. What else we got in here? Hey, we got a wand. And we got 4 things, your straight, your 45, your turbo nozzle, and yeah, etc. Setting all this over here. And let's check out this nozzle. Gun, whatever you want to call it. Nozzle gun. Alright. Oops. Just to help we put the right in. Now, unfortunately, I think this looks like it's going to be yeah. Okay. So that's, and there we go. And they actually give you, so you got 5 nozzles. You got a black, green, yellow, white, and a red that comes pre-installed on it. And I don't feel too bad actually. Alright, so I'm gonna set that down there. And we got a detergent jug. And I'm guessing that's gonna be some kind of something. And there's a handle. So we got a handle and we got a something. Alright. That's good. Still digging. What the hell is this? What is this? There. I don't know what it is, but it's well protected. That's all I got to say. Oh, good Lord. Oh, this is a, yeah. Yeah. So this thing, that well protected, I don't even know how that's supposed to work. Something like that. There we go. Alright. Okay, whatever. And let's go. Oh, we got more stuff. We got another. What do we got here? Okay. We got some kind of washer and some kind of O-ringy thing. That washer's supposed to be inside of there. I don't know why they couldn't have done that. Anyway. And oh man, cool. Only I get excited about a Phillips head screwdriver. That's a nice little #1 Phillips head screwdriver. Cool. Now we actually get to the pressure washer itself. It is electric. Not to be confused with the electric slide. Boogie oogie oogie oogie. Take you on a magic party ride. Yeah. Anywho. Oh. Yeah, that name there. Pressure washer. It is supposed to be 1100 psi at 1.8 gallons per minute. And it was rated, and that's pretty cool. Let me turn this around where y'all can see it. Rated at 1100 psi, but tested at 1031. So a little short of its power output rating. Big D would have a field day with, I don't know how you dyno a pressure washer, but anywho. Did not pass his dyno test. And I'm not passing the putting together test. Okay. That would go like that. We got my screwdriver. I got screws. I got screwed. Well, I mean, I got screws. I think I got screws and screws on this one. But some of y'all know I'm on the Vine program, and that's where this come off of. So, luckily, it didn't cost me anything. I don't think I'd be happy. Now I do have another one that is supposed to be stronger than this one. I guess I should turn around here so y'all can see what I'm doing. So we're just putting screws in the handle. We're just screwing the handle. Oh yeah. Yeah, right there. Like that. Nice and tight. Maybe it only works for other certain YouTubers. I don't think that worked out too good for me. Sound man Doug, he can do that, and it sounds like me. It just didn't sound right coming out of me, I don't think. Probably sounded kind of creepy. Felt kind of creepy, honestly. Alright, so there's two. I don't know why I'm talking, because I'm just going to fast forward through this. Should just do voiceovers. But you know what, I'd just rather do it like this. If I say something stupid, I say something stupid. It's just how my brain works. Anyway, get in there. And I just like doing videos in real time, y'all. I know my analytics show that people don't like seeing shit in real time. Y'all boys know how to skip some videos, I'll tell you that. A 10-minute video and average view ship time is 3 minutes. Damn, I bore y'all that bad? Damn, that's sad. That is sad. Alright. Now where do we presume this thing goes? I don't know. Alright, it's got snaps. And I got 4 screws left, and this got snaps. Let's go ahead and, oh man, actually to completely get this plastic off, they want you to remove those screws. So they put the screws in with the plastic on. That ain't happening, boys and girls. All right. Okay. Boom. Oh, I guess that's the, you know what? I bet that's the, yeah. That's that. Okay. Now, in case you need it, it did come with instructions. It did come with those. We don't need those around here. We do not need no stinking instructions. Because God knows, you know what? The people that put it together, the people that designed it, built it, and wrote a book about it, they don't know no more than I do about putting it together. That's a man mentality. That's a man mentality right there. Kind of like old Roseanne Barr joke one time. She's like, you know why guys are so much better at reading maps? Because only guys can imagine 1 inch is 20 miles. I love that joke. So right. We can exaggerate the size of anything. Alright. Alright guys, so we're just gonna get these next 2 screws in here, finish. Get in there. What? I mean, why didn't y'all tell me? Y'all should have told me that popped out of there. Why didn't y'all tell me? Dang it, man! I thought y'all liked me. I thought y'all were friends. Friends tell friends they're getting ready to do something stupid, and then they watch them do it anyway. All right, anyway, we're gonna go ahead and kill it right here because we just got this right here, and then we're gonna see what it does in operation. So y'all chill out, and what's gonna probably be a couple of minutes for me to go grab the hose and get the water cut on and everything. Be about 2 seconds to y'all. So see y'all in a second. Alright guys, we got it all hooked up. We can see we're yeah, leaking out of down there. Probably needed some more Teflon tape. And we got a little handle holder on there. I forgot the detergent bottle. It just slides and whatever in there. Alright, now comes the big test. As I drop it, I can tell you now, this hose is an absolute piece of crap. That has to be the hardest, stiffest. That is insane. Come on. Let me see if we can kind of twist her out. Oh, good grief. Alright. Okay, well, the granted pressure washer's not on. When I let the handle go, the water should stop. There we go. Okay. Alright. Oh, that didn't last long. Huh. I need a different nozzle. Abby! Watch this. I'm not to wash your dog. What are you doing, Abby? Abby! Abby! Hey, y'all, don't pressure wash your dog, y'all, okay? I'm a trained professional. Okay. Yeah, don't pressure wash your dog. That's a no-no. Okay, let me grab another nozzle. Yeah. That one's not for car washing. Well, if you got a spot you need to clean. Oh God, I forgot, y'all. She's gonna be barking through this whole video now. Every time I hit this thing. Anyway. You know what? It'll be okay for car washing. Yeah. No. Yeah, this is a no. Not even really for car washing because my car is clean. Abby, calm down, honey. Sit. Sit. That. Okay, good girl. Anyway, I cleaned it the other day, but it rained, so just give me an opportunity to test this thing out. And yeah. This is no power. Abby. Okay. Yeah, guys, this thing is absolutely horrible. I wouldn't. That Suyncll. Well, at least the one good thing is you would not have to worry about it taking your paint off. So, okay, one other test I want to do with this is let's see if it's even going to be strong enough to operate our 303 foam cannon. I'm almost being doubtful. So, no. That is extremely pathetic. I don't know. It's not doing too bad there. That's not horrible. I don't know. I think this thing was like $129. I think you'd be better off going to Harbor Freight. They have a Greenwise, Earthwise, whatever it is, that would be a much better bargain. Anyway, that's gonna be it for it, guys. I'll leave a link in the description if y'all want to check it out, but like I said, I would not recommend it. I got a feeling I'm gonna be out here all day. My regular hose has more pressure than this. We'll know how long it takes to rinse that off. Yeah, that's taking way too long and we're still not even rinsed good. So it's a definite no from me. So there you go. My review of a piece of crap pressure washer off of Amazon. Kind of looks like the Harbor Freight Greenwise, Earthwise, whatever it is, but yeah, no. So, alright, I gotta get this thing car rinsed off. I'm gonna be here for a while. We'll catch y'all on the next one.